Okay, so I'm just going to go over this equations and inequalities. Remember that there are only two things that you really need in order to graph an inequality. You need the vertex. So for this first one right here, my vertex is going to be, the x value is going to be positive 3, because remember your shift, and the y value is going to be 0. And the other thing you need is your right slope. In this case, there's actually a 1 here. So this is going to be -1/1, because you always put it over a fraction. Okay, and so that's going to be, this is 1 down, this is 1 right. And so my left side is going to be 1 down and 1 left. So I graph my vertex, which is 0, 3, or 3, 0, excuse me. And my slope, I go down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. And on the other side, I go down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1. And I just connect my points. And that's it. That's all we have to worry about. For this one here, my vertex is -2, -4. My right slope is going to be up 2, right 3. My left slope is going to be up 2, left 3. Okay, so it's going to be -2, -4. Ooh, there we go. And I'm going to go up 2, right 3, up 2, right 3, up 2, right 3. And then on the other side, I'm going to do up 2, left 3, up 2, left 3. And I just simply connect my points. And there I go. This one's just a little bit different. We kind of have the same basic idea, the same basic setup. We just have to do something else to this. So my vertex is going to be +3, +4. My slope, my right slope, is going to be down 1, right 2. My left slope is going to be down 1, left 2. It's going to be 3, 4. And I'm going to go down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, down 1, left 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 2. I just want to have a lot of points to connect. Now I look at my inequality symbol. First off, since it's not equal to, it's going to be dotted or dashed. So that's one of the first things I know, is I'm not going to connect it. There. And then we have to worry about the inequality symbol. Since it's greater than, you're going to shade above your graph. So in this case, it's going to be, if it's greater than, I'm going to shade above like this. All right, let's try this one here. Again, your vertex is -5, -2. Your slope, well, this is 2, so we say 2 over 1. So you're going to go up 2, right 1, or up 2, left 1. Okay, so that's your right slope. This is your left slope. So -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -2. And in this case, I'm going to go up 2, left 1, up 2, or up 2, right 1. Up 2, right 1. Sorry about that, guys. Didn't need to do that. Up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1. And I go up 2, left 1, up 2, left 1, up 2, left 1. I look at my inequality symbol here. It's or equal to, so it's going to be solid. Actually, I'll just do it this way. So I have this nice solid line here, and my nice solid line here. And then we look at our shading, and this is less than. So I'm going to shade down Okay, or below. So I'm just going to shade below my graph. And we get a little bit of happy little coloring here. And there you go. That's how you do it. Okay, find the equations of the functions. The only thing you need to find the equation of your absolute value function is your vertex. So in this case, my vertex is -4, -5. Okay, and then I look at my slope. I go and I look at my point. This is going to be up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. And so my slope, so my rate slope, excuse me, is 1/1. Well, I'm going to use that to write my equation. So this is going to be x, but this is -4, but I'm going to write x plus 4. On the outside, it's -5. And my slope is 1. You can put the 1 here, or you can do x plus 4 minus 5, and you don't have to have the 1 there. My next one, my vertex is at 1, 5. My slope, well, I'm just going to pick another point for sure that's on there. So I go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So it's down 5, right 3. Okay, and I use that. It's going to be, I'm going to use f of x this time, but you can still use y. It's going to be -5/3 x minus 1, because remember it's always the opposite, plus 5, or minus -1. Alrighty. So it's just a little bit trickier. Again, we do the same thing. My vertex here is -2, 0. My slope, because I have a point right there on the right hand side, well, I go down 1, right 1, 2, 3, 4. So my slope is -1/4, because it's down 1, right 4. So I know it's going to be x plus 2. You could have a plus 0 if you want, that's fine, but I don't require that. You know your slope is -1/4. Now for this, we have to look at a couple of things. The first thing that I look at is it's shaded above, so I know it's going to be y is greater than. And the next thing I look at is my line is solid, so it has to be or equal to. All right, the last one, same thing. So here, my y-intercept is 0, 2. My slope looks like it's right 1, up 2. Up 2, right 1. So it's going to be 2/1. And I noticed that it's shaded above as well, so I know it's going to be greater than still, but it's not going to be or equal to. So I know it's going to be y is just plain greater than. My slope is 2. X, you could do x minus 0 or x plus 0, that's fine, but I'm not going to write that. Plus